dancing in the rain. Look at all that rain. That's why that grass is growing, huh? That's why I put that stuff like grass seed. And then it came out. And the chickens are doing okay. It's nice, but it's really rainy. And the animals are happy because they're in the garage because I don't want them on my bed in the shed. Yeah, check on them too. Look at him. He's like, JD, what are you doing? Peanut's over there somewhere. She's not been talking to me today because I didn't let her come in there with her wetty paws last night. So some of them are kind of mad at me. I don't have much to do today. I'm still in my pajamas. I have not gotten out of my pajamas. I made my coffee, ate my breakfast, and then just came out here and looked at the rain. Like, it's just really cool. It's like a shower for Campwood. They kind of need it after the experiences I've had for the last 2 years, to be honest with you.